Hi guys, welcome to the channel Plus Toy TV. So today we will search for toy cars in the plowing field. The rice seeding started to grow up. Okay, so comes along with me to look at the toy cars at the field, rice field. This is all rice started to grow up. Wow, look at this guys. Look at this. This is the mini model car. Okay, wow, look at this. We found Sport New Edition. Okay, Sport Edition. Wow, this is a lemongrass tree. We found 3 cars here. Look at this. Wow, beautiful. This is a steel car. Steel car. Wow. Okay, keep looking some more cars. Keep looking some more cars in the field. Wow, look at this guys. We found 3 more. Wow, 3 more cars. 3 more cars here. The white car, racing white car. Wow, steel car. This is steel car. Steel white car. This is the red car. Sports car. Wow, look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful field. Keep looking some more. Keep looking some more cars. Wow, wow, 3 more here. Look at this. 3 more cars. Wow, black color. Sport New Editions. And another black color car. And power racing car. Wow. Okay, keep looking some more cars. Keep looking some more cars. Wow guys, here guys, found 3 more here. Wow, look at this, beautiful steel car. Wow, red color, 4-wheel drive steel cars, and the green car. Wow, it's nice. And the yellow one, yellow car. Wow, looks gorgeous. Okay, keep looking some more. There's some more cars. Keep looking some more cars. Oh guys, found 3 more here. Wow, look at this. Wow. This is the pink color. Wow, the pink color. Steel drive car. This is the white car. Wow, beautiful. And the blue color. Wow. Alright, keep looking some more. Looking some more cars. Wow guys, look at this. Wow. Found a lots of cars in here. Wow, look at this steel car. This beautiful color. Okay. Wow, 4-wheel drive car. And this is the red color. Wow. And this is the white one, white color, steel car, racing New Editions. Wow. And the yellow car. Okay, see what we have here. The yellow color, Sport New Edition, the power racing car, the white car, racing car, and the steel car, 4-wheel drive steel car. And this is a red color steel car. Wow, beautiful New Editions, Sport New Editions. Okay. Wow, pink color. This is nice, nice color. And the yellow color. Look at this. Beautiful car. And another yellow one, steel car, and power New Edition, and the black color. Oh, look at the seat inside. And the red color, beautiful car. And this is the white color, and the black color, and steel car, 4-wheel drive. Wow, beautiful car. All white color. Racing car, a red color, and this is also the white color. Right.